everyone, today I'm going to share how to kill self-doubt. So I think you start doubting yourself when you don't believe in yourself, or sometimes if you believe in yourself also and things don't go as you planned, you start doubting yourself whether you are on the right path or not, or this is your purpose or not, and why things are not going according to your plan. So what I want to say is that if things are not going as you planned, it's going according to God's plan, then also it's for everybody's highest good. And that's what I believe, that everything in your life happens for your highest good. So don't doubt yourself, all right? So if things are not going as you planned, also there is some good in that. So that's what I want to share. Also, I have observed in my journey, and also I observe other people's journey as well, that when you start doubting yourself, when you stop, right, or you take a pause, then you start doubting yourself, or you start overthinking that are you on the right path or not, or this is your purpose or not. So that's what I want to say, that if something makes you truly happy, try to do that thing more often, right? Suppose like I love inspiring people, and I'm a motivational speaker first, then I'm a sales coach and relationship coach. So later on, right, so first I'm a motivational speaker. I love to inspire people. That's my first love. So because I do it because it makes me truly happy, right? I know, like, if I won't make inspiration videos as well, still the clients who want to work with me will work with me, right? So I see like many people are doing good, they are just post quotes or pics and they're doing great as well. So I think everyone have a different strategy, and different strategy work for different people, and you need to go ahead and find out what is your strength, and you need to go ahead and master that strength. Also, I believe that you should focus more on mastering your craft rather than numbers, because if you will go ahead and focus on artificial things like likes and followers, right, it can be demotivating sometimes, and yeah, of course, for anyone. So that's what I want to say, that you focus on mastering your craft, that like if you're a speaker, how you can be the best speaker, what else you can do in your speech, right? Like I'm learning how I can be a great storyteller. So you have to see like how you can go ahead and master that craft, so that there is no one like you, right? So also I think there is nothing called overnight success, no matter which field you are in, whether you want to be top international speaker, or you want to be a top actor, or you want to be a top singer. It takes a lot of time. Sometimes it takes 10 years, sometimes 20 years, and for some people it takes 30 years. So you need to be patient, and persistence is so important in everything. It does not matter if it's a business, or in fact in relationship as well. Anybody can be with you for 1 or 2 months, right? But you have to see like who can actually wait for you, right? That's the thing. Anybody, it's very easy these days to say I love you to someone, but not everyone can wait for you, right? Or not everyone wait. So that's what I want to say. So this was not connected, I just shared like that. So that's what I want to say, that don't doubt yourself, believe in yourself.